Welcome to Kaleidoscope, folks. Today I am me and Terry are going on a kayak adventure, and we brought our advanced elements. It's 11 feet long. I don't know, it's like 3 foot wide. It's a beautiful kayak.
Baby, I want the attraction when I'm in the club. I want you to want me, cause I want your love. Baby.
Today we brought the kayak out to Willow Beach recreational area site. So this is going to be our 2 or 3 year review on this kayak. We've taken it out, I don't know how many times. What do you think?
Yeah,
3, 4,
more than
like
that. More than that. We've maybe 5, 6.
It's not hard to blow up. It has a rigid floor, so it actually blows up really stiff on the floor. You can pretty much stand up in this kayak. So we're gonna get this thing blowing up, and we're gonna go ahead and get the paddles in it, and then we're gonna go right down onto this this dock. You can see the dock right here. We are just taking out some of the items that are here. We have these fishing rod, comes with this kit. There is also a skeg that comes at the bottom, goes into this slat. It is it's not the heaviest kayak, right? It's not that heavy.
To me it is, but to you it's not.
Yeah.
We've got heavier boats.
We really stuffed it in this bag.
Yeah, it's really stuffed in
It's
there.
stuffed in there hard.
How much do you think that weighs, Matt, that boat?
I think it weighs about 60 pounds.
Okay, that's not too bad.
And I really think the bag's a little bit too small. That's
Well,
just my
I just don't think
personal
it's... Once you get it out of the bag, I'm not sure you can ever really get it in just right. But it folds out pretty good. It's pretty long.
It's very long.
It's actually really
11 feet
long. Yeah, we'll need to pull it up so we can
So we got a skeg,
unfold there.
and then there's another
Seat.
thing.
We got 2 seats.
Now in the seat you have these little pouches. You can put like water in them. You also have this. This is so you can blow up your back, inflated lumbar support. And that's all it does. It just blows up the lumbar. Or just don't use it at all. And we don't use these.
We don't fish.
Not fishermen. The patch kit is in here somewhere. Or it's at home still.
It could be at the house, yeah.
We also have a waterproof
We keep our keys in there, cell
phone,
phones,
keys,
anything you don't want to get wet goes
food.
in there.
And then our pump. This all came with this boat.
Yeah, that's going to be fun pumping this up, but it won't be too difficult.
It won't. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all this down at the end of the dock there.
Yeah, right.
Blow it up,
End
and
of
then
all
we'll
this.
start our video again.
Okay.
Have your water?
Water? Yeah. Look at all these ducks.
I don't know where to put these waters.
They're all having fun. Look at this. There's a whole family. We blew it up. We're right here. You can see the water. We don't normally use regular shoes when we go in here. We usually use boat type slip shoes, but today it's not the warmest. I mean, it's pretty warm, right, Terry? It's like 70.
It's actually pretty warm. It's supposed to be 67, but I think it is not.
All right, these will have to be last to come in.
All right, why don't we just leave
I need you in first.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna get on out on the water, but you can see the little marina. You know, there's fuel, a lot of boats right there. Want me to hold something?
No, just need to. What do I do with this? Put it on?
Put it in front of you.
Everything else in front
Look at how close they're getting. They want food, but we're not gonna give them food.
Right. I just dump it.
You just got it watered,
It's
wet.
all right.
So this is the Advanced Elements 2 passenger, or it's tandem, I guess. And you can also put 1 seat in here. You can see the little mark right here for the seat to go down, and you could put 2 seats. We're gonna get on the water and start paddling. Look at how beautiful this Colorado River is. You gonna paddle here, woman? Or I'm not gonna let her paddle the whole way.
I don't think I could.
So this is the Advanced Elements 2 Pro. All right, that's good, Terry. I want to talk about this here boat in this great place. A lot of waterfowl, and right there's the beach where you can also put a kayak. And do you want to put your seat thing behind you, or are you comfortable like that? It's a very big boat. You can almost put 3 people in here, like in the middle right here. I would have to move this back. But I mean, look at how shallow that water is. You can see right down there to the bottom. It's about I think it's 12 feet. Maybe I'll get a better view on this other side of the boat. Yeah, you can see down there. It's pretty. It's quiet out here besides the birds. So I like this boat because it is stable and it does have a hard floor. What do you like? It's not that heavy. It's not like
it's easy to blow up and get in the water. It really is.
It's pretty easy. It didn't take long to blow these up.
I am appreciating this boat a lot more.
So there's only 3 chambers, 1, 2, and then the floor is 3. Just have the 3 chambers. And today, again, we're just wearing shoes. We normally put on little boat shoes and stuff, and we wear gloves. You know, the sun protection. We don't want to get cancer. But a lot of little duckies. I mean, you can just see right down the river. It doesn't look like it's flowing at all. But we are on our way to Emerald Cave, which is up this way, and we only have to go up a couple miles before we actually hit it. So we're going to be stoking away a little bit here. All right, you want to say something, Terry?
Yeah, I wanted to say that we forgot to mention that it has great lumbar support on this boat.
Lumbar support.
You just blow in the tube, the
Oh, yeah.
air, and then it blows
Inflates
up that
it.
area. I just did it, and now I've got really good lumbar.
And easy to blow up. You got storage up front. I got a little bit of storage behind me.
Yeah.
You can see I brought the pump along. It is fast. It does have an aluminum framing in the bow. You probably can't see it. The framing up there, you can't see.
No, I don't think you can see them.
But the seats are cushioned. They probably float. And then there's other straps for the, if you want to do this a single kayak, you put the seat right here. So you can do single or double, maybe even triple. This holds 500 pounds, which is 1.5, and I'm 2.5. We're not even there yet. So we can easily load another 3rd person in here, as long as they agree to kayak, paddle, I should say. But we're still going up towards the Emerald Cave. It's still another 1.5 miles, but we are getting there. We still got about 2 more miles to go. You can see these beautiful mountains. They just kind of put a shade over the river. Are we heading in the shade?
Maybe.
And then look at the color of the water. It's emerald already. We don't diddle daddle, right? Do you diddle daddle?
I don't.
I knew neither one of us are diddle daddling. But I mean, look at the sheer cliff on this. A lot of bird activity. It's really a beautiful place. And today is a great time to come because it's February 1st. It's beautiful, warm, and there's hardly anybody here. Look at that cave. So we're all heading back to the dock. You can see it's around the next bend somewhere. A lot of birds on this lake.
Yeah, it's a little ways
The
back.
river. Oh, that's right, we're in California, I forgot to tell.
We're on the California side, yes. The other side to the left is Arizona. A lot of ducks on the water.
have a lot of water in this boat. But this is a perfect place to be out here.
It's the perfect time. Really, weather's amazing. The water's crystal clear.
Very calm. And the flow
No
of
wind.
water's minimal. Basically hearing nothing except birds.
Just the birds and the ducks and everything out there.
And I'm sitting in a lot of water, and again, it has nothing to do with a hole or anything. It's right here. We paddle and the water just comes up
enough, so there's a
and
crease.
comes inside.
Yeah.
It's because I thought it was blowing up, and then when I hit the water, it kind of shrunk a little bit, which is normal for blow-ups, inflatables. All right, next thing we'll do is we'll get on shore and do another video. Yeah. Advanced Elements kayak was great. Again, it's my fault. I didn't blow up the chambers enough, and it leaked. So.
Oh yeah, he's
It leaked.
pretty wet.
I'm all wet. I sat in water, about 2 inches of water.
Yeah.
So I'm okay though. I'll take a shower. You know, I'll be okay. But the landscape is beautiful. It's unfortunate that it's still in a drought. Hopefully we'll be out of that.
Yeah.
So enjoy the video. Enjoy some other videos. And what do you say, Terry?
Thanks for watching.
All right. Bye. Ciao.
Bye.
It's at the Colorado River. So you have California over there, Arizona over here. You really are not helping me at all.
I'd like to see it. Say, hey, welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel, folks. Not folks. Welcome to our channel, Kaleidoscope Creation, KW. Do you see my face?
Yeah, I can see your face.